In today's video, you are going to learn how you can easily create the attention grabbing or the viral kind of the YouTube video thumbnails, even for the long videos or for your shorts or the reels. In this video, I'm going to use this platform. That name is the SkySnail, and recently this is available on the AppSumo starting from the $79. And this is the lifetime deal you are going to get for this platform. And I have tested out this platform for few of my videos and I'm really surprised. First of all, adding your own face as the digital avatar is really super easy on this platform. You have to simply click on the upload avatar and few of your images, like any image that you feels like in the high clarity showing off your face is the really clear and the bold, you can choose that one. So once you upload that, this will be the used as the avatar here. Okay, you can see I have added the 4 different photos as the avatar, and after that when you click here on the new thumbnail, here you have 3 ways that you can use to generate your idea or content into the attention grabbing thumbnails really fast. First one, we can add the description or the transcript. You can also add the any YouTube video link. For example, I want to turn this video as the thumbnail, so I will copy the link here. You can also copy any video's link, even it is yours or someone else. I got this one, simply paste the link here. Okay, you can see, paste it here, you instantly it will show this thumbnail. Click here on the create a project, and after that here what you have to do, you have to select from the templates. It has the few of the templates available, like this is for the shorts or the reels, but I want to create for the longer videos. So you can see we have the some of the thumbnails available. What I liked here, you can also add the custom thumbnail. For example, any of these templates you didn't like and you don't want to be created this kind of, so what we will do, we will add our template. For this template means I want to create a thumbnail like this is my reference. So I will go to the YouTube, I want to be my thumbnail like for this creator. Okay, so I will grab the link, get back to the platform, simply add, and now you can see I want the thumbnail like this one. Click here on the use thumbnail, and once you have the selected template, even if you don't have the template listed here, you can upload even your own ones, and after it will ask you to select the avatar. I want to be this thumbnail with my own face, so I will select any of this one, like this one here, and click here on the generate, and it will took around the 15 to 20 seconds, less than 30 seconds, and your thumbnail will be ready here with your own face in the attention grabbing material with the background. And because you have added your own reference, this is really going to make it the thumbnail near perfect what you liked for your video here. So right now it is generating, like I think few more seconds it is going to take. Okay, so while this is generated, let me tell you, once the thumbnail is generated, what you can do, you can also edit the elements like you didn't like. Okay, my thumbnail is generated here. Okay, and if I click here on the preview, you can see it is even added the image here. Look at this one, this is the original thumbnail, and this is the thumbnail it is generated. It has even added the image here, and you can see this is the image. I didn't like the expressions overall, so what I can do, I can click here on the edit and I can just add what is the thing I want to change. I want to change the expression, change the expression to a confident one. Okay, and click here on the okay, and now it will start generating the new thumbnail. You can also close this one, it will start showing up generating. So this will be your edited version of the thumbnail it has generated for you previously. Okay, I can do the changes with all the things. I can do the changes with the face, I can do the changes with the background, with the logo, everything I can do it here. So you can see this is the new thumbnail, and I know this face, it doesn't like me. So this is the only thing I didn't like about this platform. You have to give it the really high quality of your image with your face expression showing clearly. Okay, so it depends on the image you have provided while generating the avatar here. Okay, so now I want to change the color here, so let me also do that. Change yellow text to green with bold effect. Okay, hit, and the new editing version is still start generating here, and within few seconds you can see that here. So that's how you can start creating the thumbnails without even using any designing skills or the designing platform like the Canva, the Photoshop kind of the platform, and instantly your thumbnail will be generated here. So it's AI is precisely going to target what you need to be changed or the created in your thumbnail here. So this is the only one example I have given you, but I can also generate the real kind of the stuff here. So here what I can do, I can like select this one here, like this one, okay, and I have already, let me go with the different avatar here, and because this is the topic going to be, so it is going to be the automatically referenced to the original content, and click here on the generate, and now it will start generating a 9:16 ratio thumbnail for my shorts or the reels here. So first let me generate the thumbnail here, and then you will see the relevancy with the avatar here. Okay, so let me wait for few, and yeah, this is right now generated within few seconds. So let me, yeah, you can see this is my own face, and here you can see this is even the some of the background change. This is about this platform or the tool I have reviewed in this video, spl.so, and even that thing is changed here. Now I want to change this background, so let me change that, like AI LinkedIn outreach. So I will click here on the edit, change text to, okay, hit the enter, and now it will start going to generate it. Let's see with this new thumbnail my background text will be changed or not. So I'm really excited whether this thing is going to work out or not, and yeah, this thing is actually work like the magic here. So this is how you can use the SkySnail right now, this amazing platform for the thumbnail generation, available on the AppSumo starting from the $79. You don't need the prompts, you don't need the any designing skills or the any designing platform. Just give the link, give the instructions, and your thumbnail will be ready under 1 minute. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal link is given in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and comment any of your doubts or what you liked about this video most. So that's all. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.